The doctor told me get my mind right. I'm headed down the road with no street lights, tripping on the thigh to evil Cali.
For YouTube. Yeah, we must. Yeah, food up. Mommy, I already had stuff.
You ate too.
There you go. Huh? I know, right? Things like that.
Things like that. I love you. Look, love you. In love with you. Huh? Yeah, love you. Love you. In love with you. They're like, yeah, whatever. Oh. That's it though. Sorry, y'all. Outside, my brother right there. Outside. I get the garbage every day. Like, they gonna come to the test like, you done. Kara, your Prince is here. We're not. So, okay. Yeah, but no, girl. Yo, down this right here. Can't have it. Down this right here. No, shit, what? Oh, you mean? Yeah, oh, man. You heard? Yeah. He was knowing all right. You know. Fucking. But you. I wonder if shit on it, bitch. It's too long. I mean, Sky was 20. But y'all say 20. Huh? What you was saying? Look how clear it is. Look how clear it is. Look how clear it is.
What's on YouTube? Hello, y'all. How everybody doing, man? God was trying to set me up. I knew she was doing. I knew he was up to something. You know it? Dude, and you feel it? Dude was like, is you hello,
my friend. What's up?
Be nice, bro. It's so hard. No, Kyle, they're barking and shit, bro.
Right.
Lord. Oh, you see it? Yeah. It was just set up, cause I didn't really. Come on, girl, huh?
What do you say?
Nothing. They don't down. Yeah, when they get close, they just want to try and bite him and shit.
She did.
That barking she was doing, bro. Like, for sure. That's teeth, bro. Coffee. And he's fucking cracking shit, bro. Yeah. God, that shit crazy was cool. She didn't get poop or nothing, huh? She didn't even do this. I thought she went outside in the back. Hold on, matter. I can care less. Mom! I went outside real quick. I'm sorry. Alright, I got you. Alright, why do you want to toast it for? I'm in the house. Nigga, I'll whoop the little ass. You don't like to listen, bro.
It's crazy because, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes you make yourself follow and try to play with everybody. You know what I mean? Now as I got older, I'm starting to realize I am right-handed and I got kicker. So that's what I'm saying, bro. I got gold, bro, and invest in it.
Knew every fucking thing.
You gotta believe in yourself, bro. It's like, better it is, man, for sure. Like, better you get to the outcome that you want. For sure. I mean, so I'm gonna
Gang. What's up, YouTube? What up, y'all? Yo, outside. She don't have to do herself, bro. It's beautiful as hell. So the hell, man. You gotta get walking real quick, bro. Like, driving shit, but I want to. You good? Yeah, wait now, okay? Alright. Literally, man. I was like, bro, when she got down, if not, take her back in the house. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, just out of die. Guess that too, man. Let me see y'all with it, man. Sunday. McDonald's. I'm gonna order me some McDonald's, but this is gonna cause me shit. Hey, guy. We got in the house. Like I said, y'all, we got outside. Like, girl, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Little woo. I know what I'm saying? Walker, I'm gonna walk her, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes, though, I be asking myself, like, how you wanna walk? Then, like, she don't wanna walk. You know what I'm saying? So, you feel me? It is what it is. Come on in. Come on. Oh, y'all, we're going outside now, y'all. Hey, nothing. What's wrong? Come on. Come on, Kayla. Come on, girl. It felt good out here. It felt good out here. Yo, it's alright, man. Y'all over here there every time. You know what I mean? Just it, man. I was really watching Fuzi. Came outside, so it's a good thing. Alright, good to speak to y'all. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I got to my settings on my phone. Yo, y'all see it. Y'all see it though. Let's go. What? I guess they're talking everywhere. Cal, why are you doing that to me? Nah, bro. Literally, y'all like, bro. He just don't stop it. Yeah, man. You gotta walk around, y'all. Try something, bro. We in the hood. Like, walking, we should be walking. But that's the thing about me, man. Like, for sure. That's it. I ain't did like all tough days. Like, you ain't doing nothing, bro. Come outside, bro. Nothing bad about it. I don't even mind it. Like, I'm out here, bro. Once I'm out here. But yeah, that's it, man. Damn. Got my nerves bad. That's that tune, though. Highway. Y'all see that, man? Yeah. But yeah, we outside, man. Beautiful, okay.
We should mix it.
Here we got them. That's a fucking needle. I ain't gonna do that shit. Think about doing that. Did your bus pass this way? Did your bus go this way?
Yeah.
Man, you walking heavy goddamn where? You wanna go? Alright. Yeah, I'm back to my shit, man. Vlog, I was like, bro, listen to music and shit. I was zoned out for a minute. To just walk and get a walk in real quick. I mean, but walk this way. It's the afternoon, baby. So no, it's daytime, baby. Feel good. Yesterday was a good day. I got cuts in my eye. The fuck? Nobody told me? Damn. Thank you. I'm trying to make 3K in 3 months, baby. Let's go in dollars in 3 months, bro. And I could do that shit for sure. I can. 3K. And I could do that shit. Do myself. You know what I mean? I made 3K before I'm working for it. I get every morning. You know what I mean? That's it, man. I mean, walking. Wherever she gotta go, vlogging. For some reason, even in public, I'm doing the same shit every day. But yeah, chat. I'm gonna record right here. I'm gonna see y'all in the house. Yeah, I've been cautious, Kaka. I ain't just. Regardless of the deal, this shit sick or something. You feel me? That shit can happen too. You know what I mean? I have a job and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Just and shit, you know what I mean? Huh?
When you get home, see if I put it up in the cabinet in the back room. Yeah.
Alright, bro. Kaka. She going crazy, bro.
Relax.
That's the best part about it, bro. This shit did that. Kaka, hold on, babe. Let's stay tuned. My camera be foggy. Camera, it's not funny, bro. You doing it on purpose. You gotta go back. Come on. Bro, she's doing shit on purpose. I took her in the house, bro. She ran. She did everything, bro. Kara, what you doing that for? Like, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah, you don't want to go in the house? You have to anyway. I'm not standing out here too much, bro. Like, she likes to be outside forever. And she got that We used to be outside all damn day, bro. But it's like whatever, too, bro. Look, y'all. My mom was like playing with Kara and chilling, bro. Other than that, y'all, bro, it's like feel like this, bro. Do what makes you happy. Don't do nothing that makes you uncomfortable. You're not, you don't want to do it to struggle. You want water? A different output on like content and shit like that. Like, get to me, bro. I'm not recording while I'm doing it. I'm saying I get through it. You heard me? People can say what they want to say. People can say how they want to say it. For me, you know what I mean? Bro, motherfuckers say what they want to say. 9 out of 10, they don't want to. People grind up for, like, for what? Like, you feel me? Like, where? Gang. Come on, bro. But besides that, what I'm saying, though, bro, I feel like you can strike. That goes to delusional. Like, that goes to loss. But y'all, bro, you gonna be dumb regardless, bro. Bitches gonna be dumb. Nah, you know what I'm saying? That's what you be delusional, dumbass, all year. But no, for sure. Learn your value, learn your worth. Learn shit people be saying, there this, there pancakes. Everybody learn your fucking meaning, bro. For sure. You might not see it, you know what I'm saying, right now, but you can't be everybody. Be yourself, bro. For sure. Mike's coming, and Kyrie, they don't give me a new phone. Actually, I could get a new phone, for sure. I might buy more for this. I could not. I'm getting me an iPhone, bro. 16. Nigga, for sure. You know what I'm saying?
I wasn't trying to get out the
Yeah, it ain't work.
Papa, like, all I do is, I can't keep the license.
Why ain't ready to get a number?
Or what? Mid or early 30s. I should get 30 or 31. But hey, baby.
Take it.
You don't watch that.
I'm got it. I wash dishes.
You don't want
Type shit. Fuck. There you are. Damn. Tomorrow? I don't know. No, it didn't come today.
What's coming today?
It did? Boy. Look, y'all. You outside, man. I had Kyle. Feel good out here. Get to walking in, get some energy going. Shit bothers me a lot of times. People do hold their dogs. Yeah, mine like those. Stuff like that. You know what I mean? It's fun. I understand. Yeah, but you go to the bathroom. All the time, bro. Should go nowhere else, right here. How much you got to, bro? For sure. I got to turn my headphones up, bro. Chat for good. That's all it is, bro. Nothing like that. And probably I got to do a lot yesterday. I ain't doing too much. I knew you gonna do that. Alright, watch you. I got cats in my eyes. I wash my fucking face. Do nothing, bro. I was doing something else. It is what it is. I mean, especially in life, bro, we go through nowadays, bro. People and by yourself is more important because time alone. Like, I feel time. I spend more time alone than anything in the world, bro. It's coming and shit too. I can't wait for that. I can't wait. For sure. Yeah, I got the vlog. No doubt. Like, you know what I mean? I got everybody was on the outside. That shit function. Feel me? So that's it. I'm gonna get alright, bro. I'm gonna understand like dead ass people, like y'all understand, bro. I have to do it. I gotta do this shit because I have to, bro. I had no choice, bro. Man, like man, shit bother you, bro. You can't do it so much, bro. You, bro, you cannot do so much, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yes, bro. You can't receive every goddamn thing, bro. Yourself. I mean, walk by faith, with yourself, and then it makes no sense that we're going through this shit. So, you feel me? I had a tripod. You feel me? Alright, shit, but yeah, that's all it is, bro. I ain't gonna say, hear this out. Anytime you go through your life, bro, you gotta listen to people. That shit fucking bad, bro. You know how to listen. Good. She mad. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? She don't listen. Some girl, yeah, she's a badass dog when she wanted. Cause that's what you wanted to do. You know what I mean? Go to sleep. It's fucking cranky. Shit, bro. So that's why she act like the way she acting. Come on. You gotta go poo poo? No? You don't go out? What did I tell y'all? She ain't gotta go outside. Go to sleep. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get to my cereal. I'm hungry as shit. I ain't eat nothing all day there. I'm gonna get out of here. Sweet. This little girl, bro. Gotta act. I don't know. Nah, actually, she do. Actually, she don't. She's cranky. But I've been playing basketball, y'all, in the house. Shit, watching YouTube. I ain't mad at you. You're good. Cause she kept eating shit, bro. And wrong at the grass and shit. This one girl been doing shit. And then I'm just trying to stay calm. Remain humble, you know what I'm saying? Stay in my air, everything that you go through in life. You know what I'm saying? Alright, come on, go outside then. Come on. Go outside, Kyle. You know what? Alright. No, Kyle. Move! I'm gonna get out and go. I might go play basketball because you know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's Kara. Guys, you know what I'm saying? Good. No, why'd you? No, literally, bro. Everybody else be happy. You guys gotta come in the miserable and shit. It's just sad, man. You gotta change yourself, for real. There's no one. Here's out. It's crazy. I see it though, for sure. Let's have chicken. Yes, sir. Here's some chicken. I like car, I like that. Had chicken and fries, man. Feel good out here though. Probably secure. Give it to my dog. I'm going outside with the people. I'm never got them though. That nigga happen anybody. I'm outside. I stay stagnant and feel. I still go back to my room. She being running though. Hey guys, everyone go outside. Oh, YouTube. It's Goldie. The cow was Goldie. You know? Yeah. I get it, bro. Yo. Figure it out. Figure things out. That's what I'm trying to do. Figure things out. Why my music so low? I'm like, why my music so low, bro? I be listening to music. Hella recording and shit. Like, I be picking and choosing when I want to record. And I want to start the camera. Do shit on purpose. Like, move around. Fuck. Yeah. She don't listen, bro. It's like it's hard and she don't want to poop and pee. And she don't want to do shit. So I was like, put me go outside there. But I know, y'all. But yeah. Oh, YouTube. You outside with it. Be good today, alright? Okay? Good. Alright, don't be out here doing too much, alright? Right now, so we gotta get used to what we were doing before. And I was telling Switch that shit, like, once you do shit for the once you do shit for man, come on. It's so hard to record from angle to angle, bro. Okay, go back. Yeah, we out here, man. Come on. You don't stop. Kara, I'm gonna wheel your ass. Let's go. You're doing shit on purpose. Stop. I'm doing the vlog. It's the main self, bro. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause I be trying to explain shit. A lot of shit don't get down to detail. It's just because of her. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit evident. But yeah, bro. It is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, I try to tell you. Alright. Kara, you controlling shit. Come on. Yeah, I don't be recording everything, bro. Locations, bro. Like, you feel me? I'm like, bro, I don't really want to work for her, bro. I don't have to, bro.
No, mandatory. What's this? Yeah. All fishes have to do that shit. You know what I mean? That's what I've been saying, bro. That's what I be saying, bro. I'm like, food. Yeah. Oh yeah, I thought food. Boom. Yeah. I mean, just have to vlog here and there if I want to. I mean, like we just trying to do different angles and stuff like that. Different, a lot of different stuff. Look at y'all. You go inside the bathroom? Huh? You got your pills, huh? I got your pills, woo. Alright, let's show you. Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's go. But yeah, Kyle pills is here, y'all. Kyle pills is here, man. For sure. Come here.
You got some new shit.
Yeah, all your food's here. Your pills is here.
Now I ain't gotta worry about trying to feed you.
Well, she need too much dog food, but you get it next time she needs food. You're literally up now out there. Did you go to the bathroom? Here, bro. You're just trying to build more connection with Kyra. You know what I mean? We had fun today. Did what we did. Shit like that. I'm trying to not always record. Just keep doing that. Over and over and over again. But that's it. That's it too. Yeah. That's it, yo. So I got your food. Come here. What, baby? Come here. Eat, girl. That's your good food. Kyle, eat your food.
You put the powder in it too,
Huh?
You put the powder in it? Mm-hmm. Kyle, come here.
Kyle, yeah, eat your food, girl. For real.
Eat your food.
You're... Drop the shit. Put back the garbage. You know. You know the code? See, daddy.
Hey, baby.
Shaking. Shaking.
Next pack, bro. Next pack.
Fuck, we just fucking a lot of shit right now, bro, cause of you.
No.
I'm fine.
Cause you. Like, you.
Yeah, so you gotta get shut. Man, you can get J's right now, Tyler. You can get all that.
Don't worry about that.
No, cause see, the only thing about it is eating, bro. Get some good ingredients shit.
From here on out, I'm done spending money.
I'm holding on the camera, bro. You made when the camera work by the neighbor, that makes you like him. So I start doing that shit. I greet everybody.
Down some food.
Y'all stay on YouTube. Like, I feel like, bro, now you're fucking busy.
Got up, man. We just didn't know who woke up, but everybody's up now. Feel me? Everybody's up, moving around. Just 10 o'clock. You should have been up. I mean, just doing stuff that helps us, bro. In the long run, I feel me. She's hungry, but she'll eat it. You know what I mean? But y'all see it. You don't know what we got going on today. Today happens today. You're. So, you ready? What's that, man? Wait, that's what? Huh? No, for the address. That's why they put it out. Bacon. Yeah, I was just wondering something. What's up, y'all? We outside, y'all. You actually gotta give her energy. The food actually has to give her energy back. So she ain't sure. Food. It could have all vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, everything. Yeah. Look. Alright, now, don't swallow that shit, Kaka. She used to swallow. Hey, we doing the videos? You feel me? Do what you do, bro. This is you. Like, you feel me? They mad because they ain't getting money like how we do. Like, what y'all be doing? Come on. What to do? It's my morning routine or try like at least. You know what I mean, do? Yeah, arguing, y'all. I had to record this shit. Yeah, they really arguing.
Yeah, yesterday too. Shit is life. Everybody ups and downs. Ups and downs. It's real life. It's a prayer for the life. You know what I mean? Prayer. I mean, he's doing the more your intent, the more worse you get. You feel me? Huh? You wanna play? Huh? Yeah! Come on. Oh, good shit, guy. Oh, shit. Good shit. This girl's crazy. What up, YouTube? What up, y'all? Bro, Carol, man, you don't listen, bro. Never, bro. Like, literally, I was like walking her. I'm like, literally just walking her, bro. It's like, she could. I'm in the house, you feel me? Ain't doing too much. Just walking around. I'm chilling, about to edit some video. I'm gonna do gaming, maybe or something, bro. It's annoying me. Next 2 years. You're overthinking. Pizza? Put it too, man. Eat my pizza and shit. But now you won't come.
I'll do another dinner.
She peed in the fucking hallway. Yeah, can't shut up. That's before you get recording and shit. It's Thursday, I got more time to record. What up, y'all doing, man? What up, y'all? What up, y'all? I'm listening to music. I'll try to.
You won't need more than that.
No, I'm not. I'm on the mop it. I'm recording. It ain't happening, bro. You feel me? It's playing to record. You feel me? That's all I know. But yeah, man, going outside real quick. It's not outside there. Some good shit. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. What to say? Yeah. It's in the water already. Play shit. What? Yeah. That's it. Bro, when you're doing something like, bro, you know they're gonna hit you. It's gonna hit on you 2 times harder, bro. Like, boy, be cheating. Later down the line, it's gonna affect you. So that's what I be saying, bro. Like, I try to stay out the way. Try to watch out for what the fuck I do. I trust to be affecting people. You know what I'm saying? Really, bro, that shit affects people a lot because the more you do shit, the more you stay out the way, bro. And not do things that, you know, you're gonna regret 2 years later. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. Kara, we're not fighting. I'm not fighting, bro. You're annoying. What the fuck are you doing that for? Look at the annoying. What's up, y'all? Y'all doing, man? It's Friday, man. We outside. Yeah, we outside. Water. Look at the stairs, bro. Okay, look at the stairs, bro. I'm on control. This little girl is just a monster. She get mad. Wasting my time. So now I gotta edit some videos and shit. So I edited like a lot yesterday. I edited the last. Dude, can't edit it, okay? But yeah, let's see YouTube. There you go. Come on. Ain't that you got good? Yeah. Look at the baby there. Look. Look at my thumb. These other YouTube. Still to the knuckleheads. The garbage out. This one guy with the kind of move. What up, Will? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Kawakos. Don't do me. That's the dangerous part about it. Just character nerdy. We have a lot of plans today. I don't know. I be trying to debate what I want to do. Ahead of time. Hey, girl. What do you want to do today? Cat girls. Oh. You know what I'm saying? It's your duty to be around. As a man and mom, we have like dogs or that. You feel me? No, it's fighting or arguments. That's the shit we're going through right now. Cause this one, you know what I mean? Come on. Bad day today. I ain't telling you no bad day. You're shit like that. That's fat, man. You lit. You're pack fire, but packages come today and shit like that. So, yeah. Come on. Right. Come on. He's put over here. Yeah.
My last day, bro.
Huh?
It's my last
I don't even know, bro. But where have alright, sorry. Alright, bro. They leave. They leave. Good shit, Cat. Good shit.
I got my mind straight and shit. I don't be outside the streets. I don't know why I do to myself. You dig what I'm saying? People want to like, I'm chilling, bro. Let me be chilling, bro. You know what I mean? But, pass it down real quick. I ain't even posted on YouTube for a minute. The house, though, bro. Even to my mail out there. Y'all ain't got to get out mail, bro. And shit like that. I've been outside. Yeah. Been outside, bro. 3 times today. I get everybody, just mind somebody's face, bro. I ain't around bad people. I ain't around nobody that don't like me. I'm just doing something productive, bro. Positive, bro. Every day, bro. Doing something that involved high school. Easy. It's not that hard, bro. They get, I don't even sell my ass. I mean, I be up all day. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. I keep myself active, bro. Every day, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like today, I called my bank. I called my ex. Bro, that's what you do, bro. For you, people not why? Because I'm me, because I'm me. You know what I'm saying? It's not changing, bro. I hate this. Like me, like me. Love me, don't. I don't give a fuck. Bullshit, I don't give a fuck. I'm tough love. It don't matter. It's life, bro. You feel me? All that money shit people be saying you need this, you need that. Bro, that's just temporary. The world we live in nowadays, everything gotta be this, everything gotta be that. It's old school this, old school that. Fast for yo. Yeah, yo. Yeah, I can't move like that. And everybody make camera y'all too. Everybody go. Y'all going to feel live, not. Tight shit.
I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry.
I'm saying, when they make a pancake, until you cook it up. Well, okay, girl. That's what you want, bro. You know what, man? That's what you want. That's all it did. That's the potatoes. Carrot. Sweet. But I'm gonna get clothes up for that. Those carrots, and it's a PC. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta go in stores yet. I'm trying to get from what else you want. I already got it in the store. All I gotta do is purchase that shit. And then it'll come. Yeah, I'm gonna do that shit. So you want to do resale? Hey, shopping, like, hey, from you feel me? Yeah, I'm out of the. But yeah, I just had purchased everything, y'all. You feel me? Purchased everything, you know what I mean? Just everything, bro. I'm just tired of waiting, bro. I can just get everything now and the call comes. You know what I'm saying? When it comes, you know what I'm saying? Chilling, bro. Nobody watching YouTube, chill, sit back, lay back, relax. There ain't no way nobody coming back. What's your camera? Nobody coming back. Clearly, shit like that. But y'all see it, man. Put your timing, grinding. My brothers and stuff. Yeah. Dig. Gang.
And the chicken.
No, that shit's gone. She ate that shit yesterday.
Alright.
I knew it was in a carrot.
Nah. Well, yeah, then again, yes, no, maybe so.
Carrot, you want peanut butter? McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. She had McDonald's. She had burgers, she had fries.
Yeah, something like that.
And you can go to. And
That's what you could. You could ask for pudding cups. All it is ice cream.
I mean,
All you did is Starbucks. Yeah, tell them you got a dog, and it's okay to get pudding or PetSmart for like dog ice cream.
little girl.
Touching it. I ain't gonna touch it. Okay, no.
Sure, but no, we was laying it all laying off for me. I had laid on. My body tired of it. Hey. How about 4 mic?
Yeah. I got 2 and 2.
No. On blind. Or what? Y'all say 2 for me. Yeah. What are you choking on?
Spit. Sugar.
That's it though. About the garbage. I feel like Fousey. I feel like Fousey. That niggas know what's for you. I want to dress all good, dress up nice with the bitches, bro. I don't need that, bro. I mean, I'm smart, nigga. Yeah, Tyler twins, this, twins, that. Y'all don't know what's for real, bro. People don't know what you go through day to day. Be the son, I could be the, you know what I'm saying? I could be the cousin, but they don't know nothing today, bro. What you think of your day to day, what
You make the best for you. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was trying to
teach. You know what I'm saying? I was making YouTube videos with candy. You can sell shit, you can sell shoes, old sneakers, bro. Get refurbished, shit like that, bro. Everything, y'all. This is lit. What happened? Careful. Uh-oh, Kara. Uh-oh, Kaka. Uh-oh. They got food, bro. They got food for you, man. Stuff like when I had like every time I got to pull money for her, I'd be lean deep, so it interferes. But I got going. I thought I needed hair products in my hair was trapped. But after that, but I'm talking about every time she see me cut off rent for myself, then I got to spend extra money because now she want rent. That's what everything up for me. She go for like at least 3-4 months, at least 3 months straight, and then Monica and her. You got me on the job though. No, it was hanging off the bag. What? Which one? I don't know. It was hanging off the bag.
They're both gorgeous. Look, y'all see how-
Man. Why being promiscuous? What you want? I want her. My brother. So you look good. What do you want?
They don't come this way on. Damn.
Well, you could.
Come over, bro. Hold on. Well, bro, I ain't know.
Yeah, cut. Yeah, cut. Yeah, cut. Yeah. Go quick, bro. No. Yeah, say to him, bro. I'm gonna get something more for it. Ice cream. Hold on, how come? Good phase, bad phase. I don't want to be done. They really like sometimes shit traumatizing, bro. Very real shit, bro. Done, everything, bro. Super different, but bro, like they're gonna live my life. I'm gonna live it, bro. Nah. Memories, bro. Here for the long run, bro. We're here to show Well, I ain't get on 20 years ago. Like, I knew who I was growing up. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you make yourself a following. You try to like, kind of, like, as long as you believe in yourself, bro, 100%, better you get to the outcome that you want. For sure. I mean, so I'm gonna get out of there and get going. I'm gonna remember my hey.
Talk with y'all.
Yeah, you gotta tell me. I always do, like, I got a mom. I had to turn around and fucking my mom embarrassed because I had to get all the toilet documents, you know, bottle kids,